Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're making cassava leaf. Almighty cassava leaf. Let's get started. Boil your cow skin. Make sure your water cover it. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and cover it for 20 to 25 minutes. When your cow skin comes to a boil, you will add your meat. Mix it all together. We know cow skin is not easy to be done. You need a lot of water. I'm gonna add 2 more cups of water. Wait for 5 minutes and then add cassava leaf. 2 packs. You can find cassava leaf in any market in your town. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Make sure all your ingredients are already prepared. Dry fish, palm butter, peanut butter, onion, tomato fresh, seasoning, hot pepper, and salt. You add all your ingredients. You have a onion, to chop onion. We have tomato, fresh tomato. We have the dry fish. I don't know the fish name though. We have palm butter. Add 2 tablespoons of seasoning, 1 teaspoon of hot pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 5 tablespoons of peanut butter. One and a half cups of red oil. The stirring is the only job. Make sure it's not burning under the pot. Put the heat on a medium low until the water boils out. Voila, we almost at the end. Our cassava leaf is ready. Wow, see how beautiful is it? Tasty, looking good. Invitation. Please, if you like this video, subscribe, like, comment, and share. I love you all.